I'm Dr. Harmony Sierens, a physical medicine and rehabilitation physician. Let's talk about spasticity. Spasticity is an involuntary muscle tightness, stiffness, and spasm that limits the ability to move and makes it more painful. But your movement matters. It is important for you to perform your activities of daily living and promotes mental well-being. Spasticity can be managed by a combination treatment that relieves muscle stiffness, along with slow stretches and controlled functional movements that can strengthen the muscles. Before I demonstrate some stretches for your arm and hand, I want to remind you to consult your doctor about spasticity. Spasticity treatment's individualized, and it's important to talk to your doctor about the appropriate treatment for you. And remember, when doing these exercises, if you ever feel any pain or weakness, stop and alert your doctor. Now let's get started. I'm going to show you some finger extension stretches to help stretch our fingers out. Each stretch we're going to hold 20 to 30 seconds, and we're going to do them 2 to 3 times. We can start with each individual finger. Or if you're able, you can try to do all the fingers together. Now we're going to work on wrist extension. This one you can hold your arm at your side, and we are going to work to extend our wrist to get a stretch. And remember, stretches we hold for 20 to 30 seconds, and we will perform them each 2 to 3 times. If your wrist is tight and you can't stretch it all the way out, just go as far as you can comfortably stretch it to still feel a pull in the muscle, but again, with no pain. Now we're going to do the elbow extension stretch. We're going to use our unaffected arm to help stretch our weaker side to straighten our elbow all the way. We're only going to go as far as we can comfortably go. We're going to hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, and we'll perform each stretch 2 to 3 times. Remember to stop if you feel any pain or weakness. Now we're going to do forearm rotations. This one, we're going to rest our arm at the side, and we're going to work on turning our palm up and palm down. We're going to perform this 10 to 15 times. Again, we'll perform it nice and slow and stop with any pain or weakness. Now we're going to work on a supported shoulder stretch. You're going to clasp your hands in front of you and stretch out in front. Then we're going to work on bringing that shoulder all the way up to the ceiling as best as you can. We want to hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and perform it 2 to 3 times. Now we're going to do table slides to stretch the whole arm. You're going to rest your arm on a table, put it on a towel to help it slide, and you're going to slide forward as far as you can to try to extend that elbow and shoulder. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, and we'll perform this 2 to 3 times.